Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the crochet crunch stitch. It's a very nice stitch with a beautiful texture and you can use it for just about any crochet projects. And I'm using a worsted weight cotton yarn and an H crochet hook, but you can use any yarn and hook size that you have on hand. And then to get started, I'm just going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain an even number. I'm just going to chain 14. Okay, so that's 14. And then we're going to skip the first chain. I'm going to half double crochet into the second chain. Okay, and then we're going to slip stitch into the next chain. And then half double crochet into the next chain, and we're going to do that all the way across. We're going to slip stitch and half double crochet. Okay, so then we started our row with a half double crochet, and we also want to finish the row with a half double crochet. Okay, and then we're going to turn our work. We're going to chain one, and we're going to basically do the same thing as in the first row, except this time we're going to slip stitch into the half double crochet. So we got our chain one, and then we're going to slip stitch into the half double crochet, and then half double crochet into the slip stitch. And we're going to do that all the way across. I'm going to slip stitch into the half double crochet and half double crochet into the slip stitches. Okay, and once again we started the row with a slip stitch, and we're going to end with a slip stitch. Okay, and then we turn our work. We're going to chain one, and now we're going to half double crochet into the slip stitch and slip stitch into the half double crochet. And then we're just going to repeat the last two rows. We're going to start and finish one row with a half double crochet, and then the next row we're going to start and finish with a slip stitch. Okay, and sometimes you may find yourself wondering, where did I finish off this round? An easy way for me to remember is when you hold the stitches like this, you have like little hills. So you're going down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, up the hill. So when you're going down the hill, the slip stitch will take you down. So you slip stitch right here into the half double crochet, and then up the hill you're working into a slip stitch, so we're going to half double crochet. And then down the hill again, we're going to slip stitch. Up the hill, we're going to do a half double crochet. Okay, so that's it for this coaster. I just added a single crochet edging all around, and it's just a beautiful texture.